In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start Microsoft Loop. Microsoft Loop is a powerful collaboration tool that brings together fluid components and workspaces to help teams think, plan, and create together. Let's dive into how you can easily get started with this fantastic tool in just a few simple steps. First off, you'll want to navigate to Microsoft Loop's website. It's easy to find, just type loop.cloud.microsoft into your browser and you'll be on your way. You'll be greeted with the home page that introduces you to the wonders of Loop. Once you're on the website, the next step is to sign in. Look for the sign in button and click on it. This directs you to the login page where you'll need to enter your Microsoft 365 email address. If you're already using tools like Outlook, OneDrive, or any of the Office suite, you're likely to have this information at hand. After typing in your email, you'll be prompted to click on the sign in button once again. It's a standard two-step verification process that Microsoft employs to ensure the security of your personal information and account details. Following successful entry of your credentials, there's a good chance Microsoft will ask if you want to stay signed in. This is particularly useful if you're using a personal or secure device, as it saves you from having to log in every single time you want to access Loop. Click yes if you're okay with not having to log in every time. However, if you're on a public or shared computer, you might want to think twice to maintain your privacy and security. Finally, you'll be directed to your workspace. Here you can start exploring the various features that Microsoft Loop has to offer. Your workspace is where all your projects live, and it's designed to be a central hub for your collaboration needs. This flexible workspace allows you to bring together all the tools and content your team needs to complete projects seamlessly. And there you have it. You're all set to explore Microsoft Loop and its innovative features designed to enhance productivity and teamwork. Remember, Loop is about making collaborative work feel less like work and more like creating together. So dive in and see what amazing things you and your team can come up with. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has helped you get started with Microsoft Loop effortlessly. Stay tuned for more helpful guides and tips on making the most of your digital tools and workspaces.